Whether you just moved into a new home or are planning to switch internet providers, here's how you can order and install internet service. The easiest way to order internet service is via a web browser. Visit your chosen provider's website and insert your address to find out whether the ISP offers internet in your area. If they do, choose your plan and follow the rest of the prompts to get internet service. You can always call the ISP to set up your internet service if you prefer a more guided experience. It will take longer, but you'll be able to ask questions and find the option that's best for you. Finally, you can set up internet in person, which is a step above the phone option. You get to talk to someone in person, ask questions, and most likely receive the necessary internet equipment on the same visit. Just know that not all ISPs have storefronts, so this may be tougher to accomplish. Now, the installation process. If you live in an apartment where your ISP has already installed a modem and router, you can connect to the internet right away. No need to set up an appointment with an installer. Some ISPs will send you a self-install kit that has everything you need to get online, such as a modem, router, and cables. But if you already have your own router and cables, you can set up the internet using your equipment. For those with cable internet, schedule a professional cable installation. The installer will set up everything from the internet and cable TV to the phone landline.